is love sound, also called as S1. This is due to the closing of right and left atrioventricular valve. Right atrioventricular valve also called as tricuspid valve, while the left atrioventricular valve is called mitral valve or bicuspid valve. जब ये दोनों valve बंद होंगे तो पहला साउंड इसको बोलते हैं love sound और S1, और जब सेमीलुनर valve बंद होगा जिसको हम लोग एओर्टिक valve भी कहते हैं, तो आता है सेकंड साउंड दैट्स कॉल्ड dove sound. Is that clear? This semilunar valve can also write as abbreviation SLV, semilunar valve. Lunar means चंद्र के आकार का and semi means अर्धचंद्राकार, जैसे ईद का चंद्र होता है ना वैसा. That is shape of semilunar valve, and they are present at the opening of pulmonary aorta and systemic aorta. That's why they are also called as aortic valves. Due to closing of these two valves, there is a sound called dove sound or S2, second heart sound. This sound is somewhat louder than the dove sound. ये थोड़ा louder होता है, इसके कंपैरिजन में dove sound कंपेयर करते हैं. Love is somewhat louder than dove sound. मैं पूरा एक बार से रिवील कर रहा हूँ. जितने तरह के हार्ट में वाल्व्स हैं, उसमें सबसे पहला है राइट एट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर वाल्व, जिसको हम लोग ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व भी कहते हैं, और इसका एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक है रैट. Here R stand for right, A stand for atrioventricular valve, and T stand for tricuspid valve. In the same way, left atrioventricular valve के लिए ट्रिक है LAMB, lamb. L stand for left, A stand for atrioventricular, M stand for mitral valve, and B stand for bicuspid valve. Clear? One more valve is there called Thibesin valve, and it is present at the opening of coronary sinus, which is open in right atrium. And one more is opening of inferior vena cava, where Stachin valve is present. इसके लिए ट्रिक है I dot, आपने पढ़ा होगा I dot E. Here I stand for inferior vena cava and E stand for Stachin valve. E stand for Stachin valve and I stand for inferior vena cava. So these are the valves of the heart. And now with the closing of these valves, there are two kinds of heart sound. The first one is S1 or first heart sound, also called dove sound, which is somewhat louder than dove sound. The second one is dove sound called S2 due to closing of semilunar valve or aortic valve. These valves are present at the opening of pulmonary aorta as well as systemic aorta. Clear?